government can do. And that reminding, that part of reminding is for you and me that that is the priority today. That is the priority today. Keeping health of you and your family repeatedly. Let family members get irritated. Let your husbands and children get irritated. Doesn't matter. But it is your job, it is your duty, it is your dharma to see to it that everyone should get the best of the diet possible in these circumstances so that you can have best of the immunity power to fight with this worst ever heard bimari. So what you can start with, gym. You can do some kind of a yoga. You can do some kind of a exercise. You can start walking. If you don't have a garden, at least start walking within the house. Walk. See to it that you walk few thousand steps in a day. Please spend some time in meditation. That's what is required. When you meditate, it gives you energy. It heals your body. You know that. When you meditate, it heals your body. When you do yoga, it gives you strength. When you do exercise, it makes you active. When you walk, it gives you, it rectifies all your organs. And yeah, and that's how you are going to keep yourself fit. It should be the first priority of the family, especially the lady of the family. I'm happy that my at my home, my wife, she keeps on shouting, keep on speaking, keep on repeating, और चाय बना दो दालचीनी की, इसको वो मोटी इलायची डाल देना, इसमें काली मिर्च डाल देना, लौंग डाल देना. Then after a few minutes, अरे वो विटामिन सी की गोलियां सबने खाई कि नहीं? It's like because you tend to forget. आप यहाँ कागज रखते हो, भूल जाते हो, दवाई खाना भूल जाते हो, विटामिन सी की गोली खाना भूल जाते हो. तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू कि keep that fitness, keep that health in mind, and repeatedly keep everyone active at home. That should be your duty, priority. Coming down, once this is done, I think major job is this, keeping health intact. Second is, yes, start watching films if you're not, which I'm sure you are.
Yes.
What a lovely, what a pleasure. 2 घंटे 3 घंटे यूं निकल जाते हैं, पता ही नहीं चलता. One film a day keeps the doctor away. And because,
Correct.
yes, because when
So
you,
I have been watching old films.
yeah, lovely. So you can watch film.
And
You,
reading books.
so television का भी time बनाइए. Not that 10 hours you are watching television and making headache for yourself. So see some films, see some documentary, see some news program, see some short films, and you can even bring in, see some regular programs, see some OTT programs. Hotstar hai, Netflix hai, Z5 hai, so many other new channels which are available on your television. See new programs, start a wonderful serial, follow that serial, go mad about that serial, fall in love with the character of that serial. Arey, what a fun to watch television today. And no tension, no botheration, nobody's going to come and knock your door. No one is bothering you today. And television has become one very important part of our life today, trust me. And then the third point which comes to my mind is, obviously, take best use of a mobile, talk to your friends, revive your old contacts, send messages to your friends, and suddenly you feeling embarrassed ke 10 saal ho gaye, main te udal gali nahi ki thi. Send him a message, send her a message, and suddenly you will find that probably he or she is there waiting actually for someone to initiate. You take the initiative, and your old contacts, right time to actually revive your old contacts through your mobile. You have the number, but you're feeling embarrassed and you're feeling hesitant to talk to your friends. Send across message and see the fun. You will find it very nice. The next thing which comes to my mind is, it's a high time for you to start reading. There's nothing better than reading. I swear I'm telling you. Start reading magazines, start reading newspapers, articles, books, and have fun. पीरियड बना लीजिए कि भाई आधा घंटा तो अखबार पढ़ना है, अखबार नहीं आता तो नेट पे पढ़ना है, नेट पे नहीं पढ़ना है तो कोई मैगजीन, कोई आर्टिकल, कोई बुक्स. It will give you such a wonderful pleasure reading, and it enhances your knowledge. It makes you so relaxed. I swear, if you didn't get time to meditate, but if you read a book, it is as good as meditation. It's as good as meditation. Okay, then there are times when I found that ladies, they write very well. You write. Some of you may write. And so why didn't you start writing an article, start writing a book, start writing a play, start writing a short story, a short film, start writing a song. Start writing a blog if you are well versed with computer. So make a new blog. Yesterday only I had a seminar on the advantages of blogging. And for 1.5 hours, we were talking, and there were 100 people who were listening to the art of blogging. We only on blogging. I mean, it's a very important, the most in thing when it comes to writing. So somebody can start writing, blogging. You can start painting, sketching. College में सीखी थी आपने sketching. School में सीखी थी. Revive your arts. Why not? हस्बैंड सुन रहा देखिएगा क्या गल है मत मारी ये की गल है आज 20 साल बाद होश आया the fact so this is the time you can surf back into yourself and find what is missing. Let's do it. तो sketching हो रही है, painting हो रही है, मजा आ रहा है. And if you can sit on net, then start surfing. I mean, sit on Google and you will go mad, because Google is like it's like equal to 7 seas. 7 समुंदर हैं वो तो. जितना डूबते जाओगे उतना गहरा. I mean, like, but start looking into the see, tourism is such a beautiful subject. And imagine a person like me, people who know me, I'm out every month. I try to cover one country in a month. अगले महीने मेरी वो आता हूँ और अगले महीने जाने की तैयारी शुरू हो जाती है और अगले महीने मुझे फिर किसी दूसरी कंट्री में जाना है, चाहे 3 दिन के लिए जाऊं चाहे 4 दिन के लिए जाऊं. I'm so fond of tourism. I'm so fond of visiting countries. And now my position as a cultural representative of different countries actually forces me, and I'm from the last 2.5 months, I must look into cities, look into countries, look into art galleries, libraries, museums, operas, aquariums, national parks. Oh my God, so much to look into. But make a series in your mind. What should I look? What is your interest? Think for a minute. What is my interest? And then start surfing different countries, different locations, different capitals of the world. Oh my God, so much to do when you talk about tourism, art galleries, and museums and whatnot. I mean, this is how I think you can do wonders even on net. Then someone who loves music, मैं तो गाना गाता रहता हूँ, मैं तो काम करता रहता हूँ, गाना doesn't matter. But what a relaxation. When I sing, it gives me immense pleasure. It soothes my mind and my heart and my body. So someone who's keen in music, right time, sing, learn music, learn instruments, listen to music, Baba. If you have enough with the television, shift to music. What a pleasure. Music of your choice. अब मैं कल किसी दोस्त से बात कर रहा था, उसने 1960 के गाने लगा रखे थे, 1950 के गाने, खे 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 सैगल की आवाज वाले, वो उसी में आनंद ले रहा है. कह रहा है यार 1 घंटा म्यूजिक सुनता हूँ तपस्या हो जाती है मेरी. मैंने कहा बात तो सही है. इट गिव्स यू सच अ वंडरफुल प्लेजर आउट ऑफ इट. और इंस्ट्रूमेंट सीख लीजिए कोई तो इतना कुछ है. व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट म्यूजिक, ओ माय गॉड, नो लुकिंग बैक. यस, द बेस्ट पार्ट इज जूम पार्टी. अब तो अंजू जी सीख गई हैं जूम. You can have Zoom parties. 12-15 best of the friends Zoom पे आए, खूब गप्पे मारे, 1 घंटा खूब बातें की. Zoom. What a pleasure. मतलब आप 2.5 3 2 महीने हो गए हैं, दोस्तों की शक्ल नहीं देखी. रिश्तेदारों की शक्ल नहीं देखी
सर देखी है हमने
जिनके साथ रोज सुबह शाम बैठ के गाली गलौच होता था. हाँ, नहीं नहीं, अब जूम पे आ गया. Zoom has is it's what a wonderful I must say what a wonderful opportunity to through these Zoom and associated apps. Achha, for women like you, I mean, like imagine uh, if you don't cook, try now. After 10 years of your marriage, 20 years of your marriage, cook, try it. At least देखें कैसे बनाते हैं. चल सड़ा वो फुल्का ही सही, बनाया तो सही में. And you get into it. Try different cuisines. आज Chinese है, कल जो है वो South Indian है, फिर Italian है. So that's the best way to keep your home happy. Everyone is enjoying. अरे वाह, आज ये बना है, आज वो बना है. So because food is the biggest excitement for mankind. Every day you are trying to change your menu. वही दाल फुल्का सामने रख दिया आदमी ने, यार हो गया ना यार, भाषाकार. And when you change, it doesn't cost much money, but then it's only little efforts. And the whole environment at the dining table or a lunch table changes when you have different kind of a cuisine. And that adds a lot of glamour to these dead ducks days. It's so boring days. Let's put them on one account. आप बाहर नहीं जा सकते, रोटी नहीं खाने जा सकते. रेस्टोरेंट दिल्ली में तो ये हाल हो गया था कि हर दूसरे दिन जब तक आप बाहर रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाने नहीं जा रहे तो पिछली रोटी हजम नहीं होती. This is the kind of a behavior we have, and I think that can compensate to some extent. मैं समझता हूँ कि when you are at home, you can also have indoor games. आप उसमें कैरम बोर्ड खेलिए, चेस खेलिए, लूडो खेलिए, टेबल टेनिस खेलिए, जितने इंडोर गेम्स मतलब आप खेल सकते हैं, आप इंडोर गेम्स खेलिए. कौन मना कर रहा है आपको? The another very interesting thing is that you can start learning a language. एक नई लैंग्वेज सीख सकते हैं आप. Who's stopping you to learn? This lockdown learning के लिए तो नहीं हुआ ना. तो learn a language. Learn what is first aid. The best thing. You can, I think you can also improve your communication skills. I have improved in 2 months. इतने वेबिनार कर लिए, इतने डिस्कशन कर लिए, इतने इंटरव्यू दे दिए, इतने तो मैं दफ्तर में बैठ के नहीं देता. So, and it is adding on my communication skills, is adding me more material to speak on. It is giving me ample stuff to remember also. And I think that's what. And two very important things which are coming to my mind, which obviously you have to teach me: cleaning your house, cleaning your almaras, cleaning your drawers. Very important. 2 महीने हम लोग अपने ड्रॉ नहीं साफ करते, 2 महीने अपनी अलमारियां नहीं सेट करते. I think it's a high time for all of us to set up everything, clean everything, and make everything
Great.
up to date. You feel so satisfied. You feel, chal ek kaam pe mukya. And it gives you immense pleasure if your drawer, almari, if your everything is set and neat and clean. And another very important thing which comes to mind, that you can start exploring about your family, the ancestral part. Your लिख के चार्ट बनाकर अपनी फैमिली का चार्ट बनाओ. बड़े बूढ़ों से पूछो भाई कि हमारी पूर्वज कौन थे, कहाँ से आए हैं हम, हमारी हिस्ट्री क्या है. Very important it is. And I think you can do wonders with all these things. So I think this is how what I thought you can probably spend your whole day and be so comfortable, and you are so charged with that. And probably if I close it here, then I would love to give you a small formula of A to G. A to G is a formula which you must remember, because most of you are a working woman. When I say A, then you must remember the ambitions and attitude. Ambition and attitude, they go together. If you really want to have higher the ambition, the softer the attitude you have to develop in life, and you want to be successful. That much I know that. And develop that beautiful attitude towards people, towards life, towards circumstances, and I'm sure you will be able to fulfill all your ambitions which you are carrying with you. B, B is for belief. And when we can believe, when we can believe in a belief, belief is that there is a God. This is a belief. And we believe in this belief that God is there and he or she will take care of me. That develop that kind of a belief in yourself, in your family, in your people, in your thinking, that I have to do something bigger, better, smarter. Because देखिए प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने बड़ा अच्छा बोला, जान है तो जहान है. और सेकेंड टाइम जब लॉकडाउन की बात आई तो बड़ा अच्छी स्टेटमेंट उन्होंने दी कि जान है और जहान भी है. सिर्फ जान है और जहान नहीं है तब भी लाइफ इज वेरी डल. सो टू बी proactive, it's very important to believe in your belief and create a belief that I am going to be successful. I'm going to go back to my office. I'm going to go next year. I'm going to do double the business what I have done this year. My interaction will be 10 times better than what today I have done. Develop those kind of a thinking, positive thinking, and that will give you a lot of strength, I swear. And you will be overcharged with energy. Because when you start believing in yourself, in your own beliefs, it's a law of nature. It starts giving you a lot of energy to work hard. And it raises your immune power to a new height. उसका अगर आप थर्मामीटर कोई हो और चेक करके देखें तो आप हैरान होंगे कि इम्यूनिटी पावर जो है वो बढ़ चुकी है आपकी. सी इज कमिटमेंट. कमिटमेंट मतलब रघुपति प्रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए. Develop some kind of a commitments to your own self, to your family, to your people, to your business, to your people around. Develop such a wonderful commitment, and I'm sure that commitment gives you strength to work hard. That commitment gives you energy to work hard. And और रातों की जो नींद है सोने से पहले 10 मिनट के लिए आप देखिए कि what commitment I can take, can commit to myself and to people around me, and see how you will grow. You will grow automatically. D stands for dedication. और जो कुछ भी आपने सोचा है अगर उसको आप ईमानदारी से कंप्लीट करना चाहते हैं तो वहीं डेडिकेशन पैदा हो जाती है कि आई एम ऑनेस्ट टू माय थिंकिंग, आई एम ऑनेस्ट टू माय वर्क, आई एम ऑनेस्ट टू माय कमिटमेंट, and that raises your dedication. E, enthusiasm. My humble submission to all the people right now here, please do not lose your enthusiasm. So what if we are going through such a bad phase? Don't lose your enthusiasm. रात भर का है मेहमा अंधेरा और किसकी रोके रुका है सवेरा. So the night is going to finish and the morning is going to be there. And my dear friends, never lose your enthusiasm, because enthusiasm is the real key to success. E enthusiasm, and F आ गया focus. Be focused. If you're a working woman, be focused. Don't think that COVID-19 ने तो मेरे सारे प्लान भ्रष्ट कर दिए, मैं खत्म हो गया, मेरा बिजनेस रह गया, काम नहीं हो रहा, नुकसान हो गया, करोड़ों की मुसीबत हो गई. Don't change. You have invested a lot of time and money in your businesses or your work, in your building up your infrastructure. Have strength, be focused. Rather, this is the time when you can think that what more you can add on to your business. I mean, imagine when lockdown came in, and I thought there's going to be a protest by students. And they will get restless, they'll abuse us. और आज का बच्चा तो लिहाज ही नहीं करता एक पैसे का, ना टीचर का, ना इंस्टीट्यूशन का, ना प्रिंसिपल का, ना डायरेक्टर का. तो डर था. लेकिन इमेजिन कि the need is the mother of inventions. कि हमें लगा अब हम क्या करेंगे, and suddenly all these apps came in, and can you imagine, we are the third best schools of the world, or India, sorry, let me put it India. IIMs, IIT and AAFT. इधर लॉकडाउन हुआ 15 को, इधर से 16 को the whole university was working on Zoom. And we whole night, 2 nights we sat, we created 180 classrooms, 60 classrooms, we created 60 timetables, and after a holiday, all the 60 classes were running 3 classes a day. 180 classes we planned in 2 days, and suddenly we sent across messages, WhatsApp, emails to all the students that classes are on. You are there in the classroom, come down to Zoom, and there we are. And we fixed up everything. Students were shocked. They say they were amazed. They say wonderful, and I'm so happy that we could do it, and that's only because we were focused on what. अगर हम ये रोते ही रहते, मर गए, लुट गए, बर्बाद हुए, खत्म हो गए, तो शायद 15 दिन उसमें रोने में निकल जाते, और it would have resulted into rather a bigger disaster. And last but not the least is G, and G is goal. That whatever you have decided a few months back, please do not change your goals. Don't get worried. Don't get tense. I'm again telling you, because we might have to live with this corona. This is going to be a side business. Keeping health intact, immunity power, your medical aid, first aid, good food. This is going to run. This is going to be the norms of life. You cannot live in the same room for the next another 2, 3, 4, 5 months. So you have to bring in a change, and slowly and gradually people now will get adjusted to this damn corona. And we have to, by taking precautions, 100 precautions, we have to live our life the way we were enjoying living, and playing with the best of the time possible what God has given us on this earth. I think with all these words, I extend once again my heartiest thanks to each and everyone. So patiently you have heard me. हाँ, जब sound ही बंद है तो patiently हो गया, और can't
Yes,
help
sir.
it.
Thank you so much, sir. I think the insight you have given to all of us, to survive this COVID, I think this is a blessing. I always feel that it's a blessing in disguise, because we have become very close to nature.
Yes.
And we have been observing nature, and we have been, thinking so many things which you mentioned just now, enjoying our hobbies or spending our time in multiple ways, which you have just enumerated. So I would definitely like to invite any one of you present who would like to ask anything from him, one by one. So I would invite Arpita, you have to say something.
Anjuji, thank you so much, Sandeep ji. It was really wonderful listening to you. I'm a teacher by profession, and I'm an artist, a professional artist.
Wonderful.
And being a teacher, so that was a very unique experience for me. And we are working on Microsoft Teams. So learning Microsoft Teams and taking the classes, so that is something which is very, very important. And all the things that you have shared, I try to follow all these things, since I'm a painter and I paint. Whatever is the time that I get, I utilize my time. And with Anjuji as a mentor, I think she keeps guiding us, whatever the platform of She Connects, it's amazing. And I really thank Anjuji for, that today she has invited you. Listening to you, it was really wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you, Arpita. I invite the next participant, whosoever want. Harpreet, you would like to say something? And I would request everyone to take a small time, because we are running short of time also. Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Sandeep ji. Your session is really very useful to every one of us. And by profession, I am an e-commerce expert, and I am providing all digital services to all the entrepreneurs who wants to run their stores online. So I am providing all the solutions to them. And like you said, yes, it's very important. Like running your business is also important, and taking care of other things like food, exercise, your immunity system, everything is very important. And in this lockdown, yes, we are trying to do that, and we are also involving our kids also to do such activities with us. So
Goodness.
thank you very much for.
Thank you, Harpreet. Thank you, Harpreet, for your this thing. And yes, Tamanna, you would like to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Anju ji, and hello, Sandeep ji, for such a wonderful session. And Anju ji is a very good mentor for me, especially, and I keep troubling her very often for all my things. Actually, I've just started Khwahish by Tamanna, which is a very exclusive chicken curry collection, and I'm doing for the artisans and with the manufacturers. So I am just utilizing this time because it's a pause for everybody. So I'm just trying to connect with a lot of people so that I can take it forward. And I have an experience of telecom and hospitality for 8 years. So I've actually started connecting with everybody that how could I take all this ahead. And I really thank you for, and I like the lovely words and the advices that you gave us today.
Yes.
Pleasure.
Who else? Yeah. Madhuji wanted to say something.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, sir. It was your very nice and motivating your session. And it is not only motivating, rather we are already working. We were working on the health scenario, immunity only. And this is the time when we are really learning the process through the company's seminars, along with us spreading the word of the how to maintain their lifestyle, how the DXN can be a lifestyle for everybody and anybody. And it is need of the art. This Ganoderma is need of the art for anybody. And I request everybody to use this Ganoderma's product dedicatedly to prevent COVID-19. Thank you.
Yes, yes, Madhuji, I have been seeing your videos that immunity is on the top priority. So I think your products are very good and we must use it. Rashmi, you wanted to say something?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, thank you, Sandeep sir, and thank you, Anju ma'am, for organizing such a wonderful event on Zoom. And I'm a theta healer and a meditation teacher by profession.
Your video is not there.
Wait, ma'am. I think there's an issue.
No problem. Carry on.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I'm a theta healer and a meditation teacher by profession, and I'm pursuing my classes on Zoom only. Thank you for the wonderful session again.
Wonderful.
Yeah, Sandhya, Sandhya want to say something. Yes. Sandhya, audio, unmute your audio. Unmute. Please unmute your, yes.
Yeah.
Not audible. You are not audible.
Hello, am I audible now?
Yes.
No, yes, no. Yes, no.
I thank you, sir, for the wonderful session, and it is so energetical. As you said, just read the books and all. I am about to finish my the first book that I written in COVID. So that was pending for past 1 year, but now COVID gave me this time so that I'm about to finish with this, and I'm taking meditation sessions also for everyone, a free session every day. Yeah, and I'm also giving the sessions and the classes on archangels or different motivational sessions and all. So this is
Great,
what I'm
great,
doing.
Sandhya.
Yes.
Sandhya, great. And Ishpreet, I'm seeing Ishpreet is here. Ishpreet, you want to say something?
Yeah. Hi, Sandeep ji. Hi, Anju ji. Hope you all are fine. We run a small organization with the name Helping Hand Charitable Trust. I feel blessed that during this COVID-19 days, we have been, destined, and hum logo ko ye opportunity mili that we can, serve the needy. So we have been helping people every day. Around 50 to 60 families are taking ration from us. We have been making langar and serving them. We have been providing medicines. So yes, of course, we're taking all the precautions and everything. But I am blessed that whatever time I couldn't take out during my, normal days, I have been blessed that during the COVID time, I've been able to serve people in a better way. So yes, of course, we pray each day that, ये epidemic खत्म हो जाए. But on the other side, मैं यही request करूंगी कि आप किसी भी way में हर कोई जना अपने, you should come forward and help each other. That's it. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful, Ishpreet. I am watching. Timsi is also here. Timsi, want to say something? Timsi Madan, you want to say something? Okay, she is probably not. There is somebody with the name of iPhone. Surabhi is there. Yeah, Surabhi, you want to say something? Okay. Let's go to
Yeah,
next.
hi.
Rachna ji.
Uh,
Yeah, sorry. Surbi is there. Yes. Hello, Surbi. Are you? Okay,
Surbi,
I think
She's on audio. She's on
so. Let it
audio.
Rachna ji. I can see Rachna Bagwa. Rachna ji,
Hi. Good evening, Sandeep ji. It was really very nice listening to you. And like you said, ki we should help each other. So I am also a work-life balance coach. And with this COVID-19 lockdown which has happened, many people, economy is in a very bad shape, and many people are going to lose their job. Many people have already lost their job. Many businesses are going to fold up. So we are like trying to provide, opportunities to people so that they can find a way of to earn their living and be sustainable and be have like they can help themselves and find some job and earn some money. So we are doing that. And apart from that, I'm in the beauty line also. So I train people to be how to use makeup, and free skincare sessions also I give.
wow. So connects are getting very busy.
this time, really a blessing time to me. This time I have invented 2 of my courses, and this is a blessing to me. And nowadays I'm teaching them. I'm doing regular meditations. I'm teaching meditations, and what else I can say? Ki,